Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make chicken masala. We'll start by preparing the chicken, ensuring it's perfectly cut and ready for marination. Next, we'll dive into creating a vibrant, aromatic marinade that infuses the chicken with incredible flavor. Then, we'll build the rich, complex masala sauce, layering spices and fresh ingredients. Finally, we'll combine everything for a truly authentic and satisfying dish. First, prepare your chicken by cutting about 5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken into 1-inch pieces. In a bowl, combine plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and a mix of turmeric, red chili powder, and salt. Add the chicken to this mixture, ensuring each piece is well coated. Let it marinate for at least 30 minutes, or for best results, refrigerate it for up to 4 hours. Now, let's build that incredible masala sauce. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and sauté finely chopped onions until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Add 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger garlic paste and your ground spices, cooking for about 1 minute until fragrant. Then, stir in about 1 cup of tomato puree. Let this simmer gently for approximately 10 minutes or until the oil begins to separate from the mixture, indicating it's perfectly cooked. Finally, add your marinated chicken to the simmering masala sauce. Cook it on medium heat, stirring occasionally, until the chicken is fully cooked through and tender, which usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Garnish your delicious chicken masala with fresh chopped cilantro and a swirl of heavy cream for extra richness. Serve hot with rice or naan. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.